Hi everyone, this is the third video in Algebra series and we are covering section 10.3 special products. As you see, I already wrote 5 of the most important special products. The first one, which I'm going to go over it, is a plus b to power of 2. It's going to be equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So if we change the sign from positive to negative, the only change gonna be negative sign over here. So it's gonna be a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. The second one that I'm going to cover today is the conjugate. So every time you see two parentheses are multiplying to each other and you see this form, which is a plus b times a minus b, you can simply write it as a squared minus b squared. The third one is a parentheses to power of 3. So if all of them, if the sign here is positive, all the sign here are going to be positive. So a plus b to power of 3, it's going to be equal to a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. And if we change the sign from positive to negative, we're gonna rewrite it as a cubed minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cubed. And the last two are really important as well. Every time you see a to power of 3 plus b to power of 3 or a to power of 3 minus b to power of 3, you can simplify that expression into two parentheses. So the first parenthesis is going to be a plus b or a minus b. It depends on the sign over here. And the second parenthesis is going to be a squared minus ab plus b squared for the first one, and for the second one it's going to be a squared plus ab plus b squared. So now let's do a couple examples. So right now I'm going to use the first special product. So the question is x to the power of 4 minus 6 to the power of 2. So as you see, this is pretty similar to the first one with the negative sign. So first term to the power of 2, which is x4 to the power of 2 plus the second term to the power of 2, which is 6 to the power of 2, and then here is negative, here is negative, so negative 2 times the first term times the second term, so negative 2 times 6 x4. We can simplify this expression as x to the power of 8 plus 36 minus 12 x to the power of 4. This is a simplified version of this parenthesis. So let's go over it one more time. The first term to the power of 2, x to the power of 8. Second term to the power of 2, 36 minus 2 times first term times the second term, which is negative 12 x to the power of 4. So now let's go over another example, and I'm going to use the third special product. So let's simplify this parentheses. X minus 2y to the power of 3. So as you see, this is pretty similar to this one, a minus b to the power of 3. So I copy what I just wrote right there. The first term to the power of 3, which is x cubed, minus 3 times the first term to the power of 2, which is x squared, times the second term, which is 2y. plus 3 times the first term times the second term to power of 2, which is 2y squared. And then the last thing is the second term to power of 3, which gonna be minus 2y to power of 3. Now let's simplify the whole thing. We're gonna have x cubed minus 6x squared y plus 2 to power of 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12x y squared minus 2 to power of 3 is 8. 8y cubed. So let's go over it one more time. The first term to power of 3 minus 3 times the first term to power of 2 times the second term plus 3 times of the first term times the second term to power of 2, and then the last term minus the second term to power of 3. So again, thanks for watching this video. Again, I'm gonna leave the link of the Google Drive account in the first comment. You can check out more notes, question and problems over there, and feel free to email us any question that you have at learnmathfastonline@gmail.com, and good luck.